So I'm not sure if you've seen the massive buzz of my recently launched affiliate system called the Daily Deposit System. It's been changing the game. It allows you to promote one link and get paid on 7 different income streams. And the best thing is it's free to use at the time of recording. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly how to sign up, how to set up the different income streams, and exact proven traffic strategies to start to get massive free or paid traffic flooding into your referral link, allowing you to make these automated commissions. So there's going to be a link directly below. All you have to do is click that link. You'll get taken to the referral link here. Okay, now you can watch this overview video here, but if you just want to shortcut it, go here, click this yellow button here, and then just put in your first name, last name, email, and then create a password. That's how you're going to be able to log into your account, set up everything in about 15 to 30 minutes, and start getting sales. Okay, so once you log into your account, you're going to get taken to the dashboard. Okay, now there's all these different links here of the different parts of the system, but what you want to do is you want to click continue setup here, and you want to set up your income streams. Okay, so first off, this is going to be your referral link that you're going to promote. You can either copy it, or if you want to test what it looks like, you want to make sure that this is the link. We're promoting this one link, and you're going to be able to get paid on 7 different income streams. So go ahead, keep that handy, and then you want to go step by step through the different income streams. Now there's 7. These were hand-picked to be the best as far as value for you. Okay, so when you actually join these income streams, you're going to be able to use these in your affiliate marketing. Most of these income streams, if not all of them, are things that you need already to have a successful affiliate marketing journey. Okay, so things like an email autoresponder, things like traffic, things like bridge page software, which I'll share in a second. So you want to go step by step. Now, if you ever don't know how to sign up and access your affiliate link, there's actually a tutorial on all of them. You just click this watch tutorial here, and that will actually pop up a video, okay, like that. And you can go ahead and watch this to see how to find your affiliate link, etc. But essentially, you just click this button here, and you would sign up with that program. And then you're going to get your affiliate link from that program and save it into this box here, and then just click save. Now, once you do that, you'll see right here, okay, step 1 of 7 streams activated. So as you go through and sign up with these different income streams, your goal is to get this green bar all the way to the right. Okay, you want to activate all 7 so you make the most amount of money. You'll also see right here, you've referred 0 people, okay, because this is a dummy account. But when you sign up, you start getting referrals. You will see right here exactly how many people you referred, okay? And then you'll also see your rank. So as you refer more people, your rank is going to increase, and that's going to signify how well you're doing. So again, you want to go through, okay, all of these, get response. Now, another thing is when you actually sign up with these affiliate programs and you put your link in here and save it, now your link will actually be attached to this button for your members. So when you save in your affiliate link and then you go to get traffic at this link here, and when someone signs up under you and they go through this process here, your link will be on these buttons. So when they get prompted automatically through this system to sign up, they will be signing up under your affiliate links, allowing you to generate tons of reoccurring, instant paying, and also high ticket commissions depending on the program. So again, you want to go through each of them. Bridge Pro is a brand new software that just released, allowing you to create bridge pages, which are basically pages that allow you to warm up your traffic and then send it to the referral link, allowing you to dramatically increase your conversions. This gives you 50% commissions up to a $497 product. Udemy, Traffic Authority, My Lead Gen Secret, these are all incredible traffic strategies. Opus Clip allows you to post one long form YouTube link into the software, and using AI, it spits out 10 to 15 short form videos that you can post on Facebook, Instagram, etc., allowing you to get tons of traffic. Now, once you set up the income streams, all you have to do is go to step 2, which is connecting the autoresponder. Now, the recommended autoresponder, and in fact, it's in the income stream, is GetResponse. Because GetResponse is very good when it comes to affiliate marketing, making money online, and also it connects perfectly into how we set this up. So when you click select autoresponder, click GetResponse, okay? And you want to follow these 5 steps. Now, this video here walks you through exactly step by step how to do these 5 steps. Basically, you'll just connect your GET response into this system, click save, okay? And then what happens is when you start promoting this here and people go to this button, they put in their email into that registration form, they'll automatically start receiving emails telling people to log back in, okay, and continue setting up their system. So this allows you to literally make commissions on autopilot. Now, if you want to use another email autoresponder, okay, you can just go to manual setup, and then you'll just have to export your leads, okay, from the referral tab, and then you can import it into your autoresponder of choice. Now, step 3 is get traffic. So once you've set up your income streams, you've set up the autoresponder, now the last step is flooding your referral link with traffic. I have tons of tutorials here, but not just tutorials on free and paid traffic, some of them being the actual income streams that you've set up, but also I have these copy-paste swipes, okay, that are proven to convert. So for example, these are Facebook posts. So this one right here, this system makes passive income with high ticket offers. Comment this money emoji to see it. So you just copy this, post that on your Facebook, and when people start responding, you just send them this message, which basically gets them to go to it. Now, this message will actually pre-populate with your affiliate link, so you can literally just copy and paste. Udemy, okay, if you want to purchase solo ads to promote this, which is a very powerful way, especially since the system's very new, this would be the subject we recommend, and this is the email. And again, this will have the name that you used when you signed up. If it somehow has a different name, just change the name when you go to buy the solo ad. My lead gen secret, again, this is one of the income streams. Amazing for traffic. This is the recommended email. YouTube, okay, and again, you just click play on any of these and you can start watching it. YouTube is an incredible way to get free traffic. We have these keywords that you can use in your description, in your tags, in the title, that's going to rank for the daily deposit system, which is the name of this system. Traffic authority, okay, and then Opus Clip. I recommend choosing a few of these. You don't have to do all of the traffic methods. Choose a few that you prefer, that you actually enjoy, and then send as much traffic to your link consistently as possible. Over time, people will go through this, they'll sign up, and you'll start making tons of commissions. And then step 4 is claiming bonuses. So when you sign up for that first income stream, the Legacy Builder, at the $900 level, in your first 7 days, you qualify to get bonuses. So all you have to do is once you do that, okay, which it tells you here, click this button here to notify your sponsor, notify the person you joined through that you actually did that. Now, once you do that and your sponsor approves you, so if you go to referrals, you'll be able to see the people that you've referred. Okay, now I haven't referred anyone, but you'll see bonus claimed. This will be their name, email, and then it will have a check mark showing that this person has requested their bonuses. So then what you want to do is you want to go verify that they actually bought the $900 level through you, and then you can click this button here to verify. There's going to be a button there. Now, once you do that, what happens is automatically a button will appear here that gives you access to the bonuses. And these are the bonuses, okay? One of them is a 5-night Cancun hotel stay, bonus strategy blueprint, done for you TikTok videos, etc. Okay, this is over $6,000 worth of bonuses you get access to for joining the income stream you want to anyway within the first 7 days. Okay, leaderboard, you can go ahead and see the leaderboard for that specific month. Okay, so currently July, right? And then support, you know, if you want to see frequently asked questions or anything like that, okay, you can go ahead and check that out. Your step now to get access for free, okay, while it's still free, go to the link below, sign up for this system, set up the system, and start promoting, okay? This is going to blow up. It's already started blowing up. You want to get in fast, and you want to be one of the first people to start promoting it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comment them below, and I look forward to seeing you on the leaderboard.